Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 85 in Trigonometry Demystified 2nd edition. Please see the top of page 386. When parallel rays of light strike a matte surface, what happens to the reflected rays? Well, by matte, we mean more or less flat, like this paper, like most white paper, printer paper. The surface of this beige board is not exactly matte. It's kind of matte, but not perfectly, because it is somewhat shiny. But matte is like flat paint. When parallel rays of light strike a surface like this, they come off in all directions, more or less equally. So they're more or less randomly scattered. So our laws of reflection, where we talk about angles of incidence and angles of reflection and try to apply trigonometric formulas to them, do not apply in a situation like this. The correct answer to this question is D. The rays emerge in a random way. I have taken advantage of the matte surface of the ceiling in this room to get this illumination, which you will see is pretty nearly shadow-free. I have a halogen light, a 100-watt halogen light, about 3 feet to the left of this board over here and at about the same height, shining right up at the ceiling. It creates a large floodlight blotch of light on the ceiling, which scatters all over the whole room because the ceiling has a matte surface. If the ceiling were a smooth, shiny, mirror-like surface, where all of these parallel rays would strike and then come off parallel, we wouldn't get very good illumination on this beige board. And the reason the board is beige has to do with the nature of the incandescent light and the nature of the camera that I'm using to make these videos. As I stand here and make this video, it looks like a whiteboard to me, but I'm well aware that because of the scattering of the light and the wavelengths of the light, it looks beige in the videos. Anyway, that's just digressing a bit. A matte surface is a surface like flat paint, flat white surface that scatters light that strikes it. Again, the answer is D.